All right, how does that look? It's time to do the dishes.
Hey there, welcome to Bushwhacked Adventures. Are you ready to journey into the wilderness and explore the great outdoors?
I am curious what your go-to method is for cleaning while you're out camping. Are you one of those people that likes to use a solar shower? Not too effective on a day like today where it's cloudy and cool. Do you boil water on a stovetop? I could do that. That takes a little while. I've been looking for a better way. Been looking at some systems that are out there for hot water and decided to go ahead and pick up a system that helps out with that. It does require water, fuel, and power for the pump. So I've got all three of those here today. So we're going to go ahead and introduce you to the Joolca Hottap. Just in the research I did, I really liked the Joolca solution. Has a 2-year warranty. Other systems don't have as long of a warranty. Maybe it's 1 year. And I just, looking at it overall, I liked the construction. Let's go ahead and get into it. That's what we're looking like inside. Got the water lines. You can take this, and it's your choice. You can use culinary water, which is what I have here, but you can actually throw this thing into a lake or a stream and pump water straight out of it. I think that once you go that direction, I would consider your system to not be clean. Looking at Joolca's information, they suggest that you not consume the water, which if you're running it out of the lake, I wouldn't consume it either. But if I never run anything through it other than culinary water, I might risk it. We'll get it set up and do the dishes. It's got the shower head. They have other options where you can get a sink to go along with this. Maybe another day. Right now I have collapsible portable sink basins, so that's good enough for me. Pull that out and down underneath. We have the pump, power cord for the pump, the control handle, and this valve is this switch is ultimately going to control the flow of the water coming through. It's a magnetic holder to be able to hold the faucet when you have it. Okay, I'm going to put those there. Set the box to the side. Okay, so all of the pile here on the bottom. First thing you need to do is to attach your legs. Oh, helps when I get it in the right hole. All right, let's get this here. Good enough. Now, it's pretty simple. You have a quick connect for your gas line. And you always want to check and make sure that you're not leaking. We'll hook it up to the tank here in just a minute. We have a quick connect for the hot water side with a splitter, or you can just extend it. That way, if you had a line going to your kitchen sink and another line going to a shower area, you can cover that all at the same time. Now, you can't run both directions at the same time. It won't generate enough flow for that, but you can have it set up that way. So I don't need that right now. All I need is the hot line. And we're going to connect it. I wonder what color it goes to. How about if we go red to red? Just quick connects on. Now, here, get this sorted out. What we need to do is to connect to the pump. There's a direction of flow arrow on the back side. So I'm going to go from my water jug from this side and I'm going to go ahead and drop that into the bucket before it falls in the dirt. Slides right in. And now here on the other side, pops right on and pops right on. Now, we're good. We need power. I've got a power station here. We need fuel. Got propane right there. But we're at a point where that one does not seem to have gone on. There we go. Now it's on. We can stand this up. Lots of motorcycle traffic today. The handle, maybe it should be red because this is hot side, right? But it's good blue. There we go. This is a connection if you have pressurized water. If you connect it at home, you can just hook it up to a faucet. We won't be using that today. And this is like a cage that you can put around the filter so it doesn't sit in this sediment in the bottom of a lake or something and just suck up the sediment. So we won't need that today either. Scoot that back a little bit. It's magnetic, so that's gonna work great right there on the table. Okay, we'll get propane set up. Get the gas good and sealed. And open. It suggests you use soapy water to determine if you have a leak. That would be the smart thing to do. I guess I'm not very smart. We'll need power for the pump. And it's set up to run on 12 volt. So my power station has a 12 volt option. Make sure that's off, and that is off. Well, at this point, we should be good to go. other than need a wash basin. Yeah, Joolca has a wash station you can get. It's kind of big and bulky. I do like these collapsible wash basins. Maybe in the future. In terms of the shower option, they have a privy shelter that you can get. Once again, I already have one that is similar. So all I have right now is the hot tap, which we're going to test out. We're going to see how this goes. If you want a lot of water flow, you're going to go all the way over here. If you want less flow, you're going to come here. You want cooler water versus warmer water, okay? Now, I've already put batteries in this unit that help to control the electronics for the station, but you still need the 12-volt option for the pump to run that. What should happen right now is that when I turn on the pump, we've got flow. And right now we got water. Oh, and we got a leak. So let's figure that out. So the problem is that this fitting wasn't screwed on tight enough. It wasn't leaking at the joint, it was leaking above the joint. We should be good to go. There we go. Nice warm water. Oh, that feels good. That is nice. Okay, that should be enough to do my wash water. Get a little rinse water going here. Turn it off, and we're good. Okay, time to do the dishes. There we go. Now we got enough soap for that grease. There you go, hot water. So whether you are washing dishes in the mountain or you need to take a shower in the desert, as long as you have water, fuel, and power, you've got your hot water. I would certainly look forward to a shower with this. This is awesome. I've done the solar showers in the past, and yeah, this is a good upgrade. Okay, with that, thanks for watching. Joolca Hottap, it's a game changer.
If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell to receive notifications for future content. That's all, folks. See you on our next adventure.